Yeah, we're live now, baby. Don't start just yet. Let me do a little talking first. I know you're anxious. But yeah, we're now actually on step 2. Although we did the earlier video, we were talking about the strip washing. This is part of that process. We were going to do the contact washing and I forgot we hadn't foamed it yet, which is part of the process. We talked about that. And so Angela's going to foam her car, this 2018 Nissan Kicks, which is a pretty nice little car. It really is. And it's not in terrible shape, but it does have some problems that we do need to attend to so they don't get any worse over time and make this car much more difficult to refurbish or detail. But our next step, we're going to be using the foam cannon. Like I said, we might be doing a little bit different procedure than some people because it is so hot today and we've had direct sunlight, which makes this very difficult to do properly. But fortunately, we've got a little cloud cover, so the sun has slacked off. So anyway, go ahead, Miss Angela, show us how this is done here at Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Correction in Sharpsburg, Georgia. Look at that, folks, just like a pro. All the way down, all the way down. You might want to back off a little bit so your fan will be wider.
Gotcha. So now move to the other side?
Now you want to finish this front here, the tires and wheels. Back up, back up.
Back up, back up.
Yeah, so your fan's wider. There you go. They get more coverage quicker that way. And sometimes you can adjust the fan with that. I think we've adjusted it as wide as it'll go factory-wise.
Okay.
Yeah, now you keep moving around the car because you want to move quickly today because of the heat and the sunlight. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, now you want to go around to the other side.
Okay.
What's your hose? Maybe long enough. I might drag that along with you there. See, you're getting shit everywhere.
I know. That's me.
That's okay. It's just soap and that'll hurt it. Here we go. He started foaming my motorcycle. That's all right. That's good. That's good. You're not trying to power wash it or hit every square inch. Did you do the rear end?
Yes.
You did?
I did it before I come around.
All right. You want to get this front end probably a little better.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. That's good. You might want to hit the roof again just to reactivate the soap that's already up there because that's good. That's good. You're just getting it wet again. You're not washing it again. To reactivate it because the sun has come out and it's going to dry quickly. And this is very strong soap.
It's ready to come off?
Yeah. Yeah, we're done with the soap cannon. We'll give it a couple minutes to sit there and dwell. That will help loosen some of the dirt. Can't get it off. You got to push it.
Push.
It's got to be pushed in to turn it. Sometimes it can be hard to do. I'll get it in a second, baby. But we want that to dwell, then we'll rinse it thoroughly.
Okay.
Because what we're using in the foam cannon today is a relatively cheap but effective soap, Purple Power Boat and Vehicle Wash. Very concentrated, very strong. And if you're not careful with it, it will streak your paint. Like I said before, it's not a big deal if you're going to be doing paint correction anyway. So here, you want to hold the camera for me, babies? I'll get that off for you. Like I said, I'll get that off for you. There it comes.
All right.
Sometimes it's just difficult.
Mm-hmm.
We'll put our regular tip back on so that you can rinse this thing off. There you go. Start at the top.
Okay.
See, Angela, what you want to do is as you're moving down, you want to get up as high as you can, starting as high as you can.
Okay.
Like with the pressure washer pointed down so
Okay.
that you're pushing the soap down the car and not splashing it back up onto
Okay.
parts you've already done, like
So-
you got some up there. Well, you know she's a tall girl. She's having to get up on her tiptoes to do this little crossover. All right, she's as tall as me. All right. Yeah, she's getting it, folks, getting it. I said this is just another step in the process of strip washing a car. That's using a foam cannon, a cheap pressure washer, a cheap foam cannon. I think I paid 20 bucks off of Amazon for that thing. You know what, it works just fine. I'm using a soap that was not really designed to be used in a foam cannon. You know what? As long as it works, it's okay. I got it on sale at Walmart for like $4 and something a gallon. It's super duper concentrated, so it will last you a long time. There are a whole host of soaps that are made for that purpose. And, you know, this is fine. This is fine. It's just another step in getting the tank clean before we start tank correction and enhancement on it. Alright, I'm not going to bore y'all with the rest of her rinsing this car, although some of you might think, oh, I'm not bored. Mostly the guys, I think. Oh, lordy, Mike, stop. I'm surprised Miss Melanie ain't getting on me for being sexist. That's okay, folks. All right, we'll come back with some more instructions on our next step, which will be the contact wash, which we started to do a few minutes ago. Coming to you live from Mike's Magic. Oh, let me see if I can get this into the sunlight where y'all can see it. There's my official business card. There we go. See? And what's cool is I drop that and the card that's in the picture is sitting right there. All right, folks, I appreciate y'all very much for taking the time out of your busy days and watch this. When I first showed her the foam cannon, Angela was like, oh, this looks like fun. I said, it is. It's more fun when you're in the shade, but it's fun. Everybody likes using the foam cannon. Everybody that's into detailing cars. But anyway, if you're watching this on YouTube, do me a big favor. You know, if you're on Facebook, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, make comments, ask questions if you have any. I'll be glad to answer those. And if you are on YouTube, consider hitting that subscribe button and you'll be notified of all the future videos in the journey on Angela's car here as we proceed along and she learns the entire process from start to finish. Yeah, I'm going to show her how to put ceramic coating on. And then after that, we'll be putting the top coat on the ceramic. Yeah, this car's going to get the whole treatment and she's going to do it all. Okay, folks, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank you. Bye-bye.